pinaniwalaan mo from youth, Rachel, na ngayon, totoo na?
That I'm gonna have an album and concert. So ngayon talaga, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nandito na ako.
Sen, ikaw?
Sa akin, I really wanted to be here in the Philippines and doing show business talaga. Gusto ko talaga kumanta and do whatever projects.
No, Sen, but the question is, did you believe that from the very beginning?
Opo.
You did?
Opo.
Okay. Yeah, ikaw. Ano yung pinaniwalaan mo sa umpisa?
Pinaniwalaan ko po na talagang tinanim ko yung faith ko na pagkakaroon ako ng major concert. Sabi ko talaga, in the future, gagawin ko to kahit gaano katagal maghihintay ako. Pero hindi yung faith ko na mangyayari yun. So, nung nangyari po yun, sobrang happy talaga ako.
RJ, pagdating sa pag-ibig, ano yung pinaniwalaan mo?
Na at the end of the day, kami
Yes.
pa rin.
Para naman maipalamang, pag-ibig ang sayo.
Pag-ibig yung sa akin.
Yes.
Pinaniniwalaan sa pag-ibig.
Naniwala ka at naniniwala ka na
Naniniwala ako na
yung why not, ha?
yung why not.
Okay.
Pag nagmahal ka, kailangan ibigay mo yung buong sarili mo. Walang kahating atensyon kahit yung buong sarili mo bibigay.
Okay.
Yes, Bonnie, ikaw.
Bonnie.
Sa marriage ninyo, ano yung pinaniwalaan mo?
Sa amin po, sobrang mahal namin yung isa't isa. Nakikita namin yun, naalagaan namin yung isa't isa. So sa tingin ko po, di po ako nagsisisi na siya yung naging asawa ko kasi sobrang maalaga at mapagmahal.
Paano nyo minamanage yung temptations? You're very young. You're both very attractive. Halimbawa, may maganda, may gwapo, may lumalapit, may
Oo, syempre po kasi ang gwapo niya.
lapitin, di ba? Paano?
Oo, ang dami pong nagagusto pero ako po yung tao na hindi po nagsaselos kasi alam ko po kung namahal niya ako. At faithful siya, so...
Pero dapat ipinaalam nyo yan
Pero
sa
ano
isa't
po
isa.
kaming dalawa meron po kaming, like, nag-admire po kami ng ibang tao. Like, guwapo or maganda ganun.
Harapan,
Opo.
hindi ba? At pinag-uusapan.
When we come back, kayong dalawang mapapakinggan natin lahat.
Chrissy.
Diba? Can you make beautiful music together?
Right,
Yeah.
di ba?
Magbabalik po ang
Boy!
and Chris.
Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life to you always.
A love like yours is real. It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow and forever. It will be you and me. Hey, yeah. Oh, you're like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you'll bring brighter days. You're the perfect one for me, and then forever will be, and I will love you so for always. And I will love you so for always. And I will love you so for always.
Maraming salamat. Bonnie and Shiva.
Why always? Ayun talaga theme song nyo. Cute.
Paano?
Parang
Paano niyo
nagkatotoo
pinili
po
yan?
siya. Kasi, oh boy, I love you so. I can't find enough ways to let
Yung,
Come with me, my sweet. Let's go make a family.
so nagkatotoo.
Okay, ganda, no? Ganda.
Okay, madali o mahirap makaduet yung lifetime partner mo?
Madali po.
Ah, really?
Siyempre po. Oo, kasi yung...
Siyempre pag pumapalpak yung isa, di ba baka pag-awayan pa? and
Hindi
all.
po kasi sanay na sa yung ano, sa...
Give and take, parang
Yes po.
gano'n, nagsasaluhan.
But it can also be difficult when you're going through difficult times. Halimbawa, nag-aaway kayo. Is it easy to sing together?
No.
Or you don't fight at all?
Hindi pa
Nag-aaway
naman
po,
namin na-try na.
No, but is it hard to sing pag medyo hindi kayo nagkakaw ng hard, di
Yes
ba?
po.
Oo.
Yes.
Oo, kasi...
But we find way po para...
Can you imagine you do a love song and then medyo
Nag-away.
mahirap?
Correct.
Masarap bang makarelasyon ang isang singer?
Opo.
Opo.
Kasi di ba pag singer ka, artist ka, sobrang expressive.
Expressive.
Tsaka,
Can I ask, si Sen kasi, you mentioned that you really wanted to duet with her.
Opo.
Why?
Yes, kasi when I first moved here sa Pinas, I heard her album, I heard her sing, ganda talaga yung boses niya.
Crush
And then,
mo na siya.
Oh, thank you.
parang, opo. May bagong crush po. So, when I was inside the academy, when we found out we're gonna do performances sa may kasamang artista or singer na nasa loob ng showbiz, industriya, she was one of the choices.
And now it's
I'm
gonna
actually in
happen.
between. I'm actually in between.
talaga? Pati si
two
Yen
of my
yung
choices.
request.
Opo. I was in front of...
Okay.
Pero swerte.
Pero kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, halimbawa, ligawan si Rachel, liligawan mo talaga siya.
Oh,
Ah,
why
no,
not?
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah.
here we go again.
The word of today is why
Why
not?
not? Wait,
do get a copy of our album under Star Records po. Sana supportahan niyo po kami. Thank you. Ay, ikaw naman.
Thank you, Converse.
Thank you po.
Yun lang.
And you know what you can do together? You can do really, an act together as husband and wife.
Wow.
It's not, no,
Sana
really.
po.
I mean, kung ang iba ay pumapartner sa iba, you can really do an act together. You
po.
sing together and
Sana.
you look good together.
Is it Oriental Mindoro? Ito kinakain ko talaga. I love it. It's really nice. Not day.
Oo, kaibigan, halimbawa lamang may magsabi sa inyo, tara na, kaibigan, usap tayo. Ang sagot dyan ay, why not? Pilipinas, magandang umaga. Ito po ang Bo
And Chris.